Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 50 and want to feel strong, active, and vibrant for years to come, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for our long-term health, but often overlooked: bone density. We're going to show you a simple, effective 5-minute daily routine that can help bulletproof your bones. No complicated equipment, no huge time commitments, just smart, natural strategies to keep you standing tall and strong. So, why the sudden focus on bones after 50? Well, as we age, our bodies naturally start to lose bone mass. Think of your bones like a honeycomb structure. When we're young, this structure is dense and strong. But after our peak bone mass years, typically around age 30, the rate at which we break down old bone can start to outpace the rate at which we build new bone. This process accelerates, especially for women after menopause, making our bones more porous and fragile. This isn't just about avoiding a fall. Strong bones support our entire body, protect our vital organs, and are essential for mobility and independence. The good news? It's never too late to take action. And it doesn't require a complete life overhaul. The simple 5-minute routine we're about to share is designed to be easily integrated into your busiest days. We'll combine gentle, weight-bearing movements with key nutritional wisdom to give your bones the support they need. Let's get started with Minute 1. Minute 1 is all about waking up your body with gentle, weight-bearing movement. We'll start with marching in place. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back, and engage your core. Now, simply lift one knee towards your chest, then the other, as if you're marching. Do this for a full 60 seconds. It might seem simple, but this movement sends gentle stress signals to the bones in your legs and hips, reminding them to stay strong and dense. Gravity is our friend here. This is a fantastic, low-impact way to stimulate bone-building cells known as osteoblasts. Keep your pace comfortable. We're not aiming for a cardio workout, but a consistent, deliberate motion. All right, moving into Minute 2. We're going to do wall push-ups. Find a clear wall and stand about arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall, slightly wider than your shoulders. Keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, slowly bend your elbows and lean your chest towards the wall. Then, push back to the starting position. Let's do this for 60 seconds. This exercise is brilliant because it strengthens your wrists, arms, and shoulders areas that are vulnerable to fractures. It's a weight-bearing exercise for the upper body, without the strain of a traditional push-up on the floor. Remember to breathe. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you push back. For Minute 3, we're focusing on balance and hip strength with side leg raises. You can hold on to a chair or countertop for support if you need it. Stand tall and slowly lift one leg straight out to the side, keeping your toes pointing forward. Go as high as you comfortably can without leaning your torso, then slowly lower it back down. We'll do 30 seconds on the right leg, then 30 seconds on the left. This movement specifically targets the hip bones, which are critical for stability. Improving your balance is also a key part of bone health because it dramatically reduces your risk of falling, which is the #1 cause of fractures in older adults. Keep the movement controlled and deliberate. Now for Minute 4, the heel drop. This is a surprisingly powerful exercise for stimulating bone density in your hips and spine. Stand straight with your feet about hip-width apart. Simply rise up onto the balls of your feet, hold for a second, and then drop your heels back down with a little bit of force. You should feel a gentle jolt. Let's repeat this for 60 seconds. It's this small impact that signals your bones to fortify themselves. Studies have shown that this type of mechanical loading is highly effective at encouraging new bone formation. It's simple, quick, and can be done anywhere, anytime. Finally, Minute 5. This isn't about movement. It's about nutrition and hydration. Take this last minute to do something concrete for your diet. This could be preparing your bone-boosting smoothie for the morning. Grab a handful of spinaches packed with vitamin K, which helps bind calcium to your bones. Add a scoop of plain yogurt or kefir for calcium and probiotics. Maybe toss in some chia seeds for calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Or use this minute to simply drink a large glass of water and lay out your calcium and vitamin D supplements for the day. Vitamin D is essential because our bodies can't absorb calcium without it. Think of vitamin D as the key that unlocks the door, allowing calcium to enter your bones. Now, let's expand on that nutritional component because you can't out-exercise a poor diet. Building bulletproof bones is an inside job. It's about creating a healthy diet rich in the right building blocks. Calcium is the star player, of course. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are famous sources. But if you're dairy-free, don't worry. Leafy greens like kale and collard greens, fortified plant milks, tofu, and almonds are fantastic alternatives. But it's not just about calcium. Magnesium is calcium's best friend. It helps convert vitamin D into its active form and helps with calcium absorption. You can find magnesium in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark chocolate. A little treat can be good for you. And let's not forget vitamin K, which we mentioned with spinach. It activates proteins that help build and mineralize bone. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts are also excellent sources. Creating a healthy diet isn't about restriction. It's about adding more of these powerful, natural remedies to your plate. Think colorful salads, hearty vegetable soups, and snacks like a handful of almonds. Beyond the plate, let's talk about other natural remedies and lifestyle habits. Sunlight is our best natural source of vitamin D. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of midday sun exposure on your arms and legs a few times a week, if possible, without sunscreen. Your location and skin tone will affect how much you need, so listen to your body and be careful not to burn. Managing stress is also surprisingly important for bone health. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol can interfere with bone formation. Incorporating mindfulness, deep breathing, or even just spending time in nature can help lower cortisol levels and support your overall well-being. This is where your healthy diet also supports your immune system. Many immune-boosting foods, like citrus fruits for vitamin C, are also beneficial for bone health, as vitamin C is required for collagen production, the protein matrix that makes up our bones. So, let's recap the 5-minute routine. Minute 1, marching in place. Minute 2, wall push-ups. Minute 3, side leg raises. Minute 4, heel drops. Minute 5, nutritional action. That's it. 5 minutes a day to invest in a stronger, healthier you. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Doing this little routine every single day will have a much bigger impact than one long, intense workout once a week. Make this routine a non-negotiable part of your morning or evening. It's a small act of self-care that pays huge dividends for your future mobility and independence. You deserve to feel confident and secure in your body for all the adventures that lie ahead. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel empowered to take control of your bone health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more natural health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share it with a friend who might benefit. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.